It's Skyla, and we back with another video, starting off with some moisturization. And this is the NP list from Sephora, and this is the Omega Water Cream. I use this to moisturize my face. It's lightweight, hydrating. Okay, and y'all know I got dry skin over here, so we need all the hydration we can get. Next up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is a lotion and a hydrant. So yeah, that's what that is. I have dry skin, like I said, so I use everything that hydrates. Primer is the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f., which is actually the dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. For foundation, this is the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation, and the spray that I use is the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over Spray. I start spraying my brushes with my setting spray before I apply it to my face to help start setting the foundation and keeping it in place. That's what I do with every foundation. So sometimes I would use Fix Plus, sometimes I would use the MAC. This one, I just got this one. Sometimes I would use the Morphe. Sometimes I would use the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. So it all depends on what I want and what I want to use, but I always spray my foundation with setting spray before I apply it to my face. For concealer, the Born This Way Better Than Sex in Butterscotch by Too Faced. This is the concealer that I use for highlighting the highlighted areas of my face. I blend out my concealer with a e.l.f. sponge. This is the camo sponge. I don't really know the name of it, but I know it's by e.l.f. And then I take my foundation brush. Don't put no more product on it. Whatever product is left on there, I use that to blend the concealer in with my foundation. To set, we're using the Fenty powder. I know one is nutmeg, and I use that one to set my whole face, but to set my highlighted areas, let me see which one it is, because I really can't tell you off the top of my head, child. Honey. I use honey to set my highlighted areas like I am doing right now, and then I use nutmeg to set the rest of my face, which is like my foundation area. I don't know which one of my kids was bothering me, but yeah. To contour, I use a pressed powder as always. That is the Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony. For blush, I am using the Juvia's Place, the Shaharan Blush Volume 1, and I took Toby and Zara to blush and then Zara to highlight. By the way, this is a bomb palette. I don't even know if they still have it in Ulta, but I think I got mine from off of their website, if they still sell it. For lips, NYX Lip Oil, and this is my Ruby Kiss Brown Lip Liner. For my lipstick, this is the Forever Matte Ruby Kiss Liquid Lipstick in the shade Honey Bunny from the Beauty Supply Store. And for gloss, I used Morphe Boho for gloss. And the look is done. Subscribe. Bye.